Hello everybody and welcome. This is an unboxing video of the 10-inch Android infotainment screen update for the Lexus IS, RC and GS. The first thing that you will find in the box and the most interesting part is this 10-inch touchscreen that will replace the OEM screen on the top of your dash. On the back of the screen we see all the connectors that need to be connected for the screen to work. Here on the top we see a golden connector where you will connect the GPS antenna which is provided in the box. The next thing that we connect is the speaker, which connects on this black and yellow cable on the back of the screen. Also in the box you can find this harness. This harness has two USB ports, the reset button for the screen, and this connector will go on the back of the new screen, like this. Then you will find the main harness. These connectors here will go on the back of the OEM infotainment system on the lower part of the main console, and on the other end you can find these two white connectors which connect on the back of the screen, here and here. These two connectors are for the backup camera and the microphone. In the box you will find this adapter. You connect here, and here you will connect a black adapter that you will find on the back of the OEM screen. Here you connect the microphone that you find in the package. Also, the back of the OEM screen you will find a light blue connector that will connect here. Now, in the back of the OEM infotainment, you will find a connector like this. You will unhook it from the OEM infotainment, and you will connect this one. You will connect it here. And then you connect this one on the back of the OEM infotainment. Similarly, in the back of the OEM infotainment screen, you will find a connector like this. You will unhook it, connect it here, and then you will connect this one on the back of the infotainment screen. Also, in the box, you will find this piece of plastic, which will replace the OEM one because the screen is thicker than the OEM screen, and the OEM plastic will not fit. You will have to put this instead on the base of the screen. Also, in the box you will find this leaflet with instructions on how to remove all the plastic parts to get access on all the cables and the screws and the back of the OEM screen to do the installation. It doesn't explain how to connect the cables. The only useful instructions are here, where it describes how you set up the backup camera of the car to work with the new infotainment screen with the Android. This is everything that you can find in the box. Thank you all for watching this video. I will make an installation video to show you how you can hook up this system on the car and how it works. Thank you all for watching.